Hello, Royal Family. I am back again, but this is going to be a short, quick video. You remember I told you guys I'm going to start posting some of the things that I like to eat. I love green beans and potatoes with some cornbread. One of my favorites. So here we're going to get started with the ingredients, and of course I'm not going to show my face today because this is just something that I like to eat. But I am coming back this weekend with another video, and this time, you guys, it's going to be dessert. Oh yeah, and this is going to be an awesome dessert recipe. All right, let's get started. Okay, here I have one white potato. I have some ham pieces that I just chopped up that I'm going to put in there. I have garlic, granulated garlic, of course. I have Knorr. Is that Knorr? Chicken flavored bouillon, which I'm only going to use a little of this. I have black pepper. I have onion salt, and I'm not going to use any onions because they've sent onions to Texas that is a bad batch. I don't know if they said it had salmonella or something in it, so I'm not using any onions. I'm just going to use the onion salt. I have one 14.5 ounce of, you guys, of cut green beans, Blue Lake. I love these green beans, I really do. And I have, if you guys can see this, bone. Okay, let's get this down so you can see it. Bone broth. So delicious, so delicious. And I'm going to use some of that in the green beans. All right, let me get the potato cut up. Also, I want you to drain the juice off of your green beans. Don't use it and rinse them off. And I'll come back and show you what we do. Remember, this is going to be a pretty quick video. All right, hang tight. I'll be back. As always, I forgot one ingredient. Since I'm not using bacon and I'm using the ham pieces, I'm going to use maybe a half a teaspoon of this bacon grease that I saved. So remember, bacon grease also, but I'm not using bacon. All right, Royal Family, this is what I did. I put a teaspoon of the bacon grease in there, and then I put the ham in there. So I just want to kind of release the flavor of the ham. See? And then it's going to move really fast. So we just want the ham kind of infused with the bacon grease. All right. See that? So that is just maybe a minute. Then what we're going to do next, it's going to go pretty fast. We're going to add the potatoes. We're going to add the green beans. And we want to put it probably on a 5 if you have that on your stove. Let's turn it down. Okay. And I'm going to add some garlic powder, and of course, I will give the exact measurement down in the description box below. All right, I'm trying to get this open. Okay, here's the onion salt. And I want to add the seasoning first. Here's the black pepper, because I want to put the bone broth on top, and that way all the seasoning will go down. So you see the black pepper, a little, like I said, Knorr chicken powder. You have to be really careful with this because you definitely don't want it too salty. Okay. So I did, I'm going to say maybe a half a teaspoon. And now, let's pour the broth in. Turn it down. And you want to cook it only until your potatoes get done. So I'm going to say maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the size of the potatoes. Now just remember, if you cut them bigger, it's going to take longer for them to get tender. All right, told you this was a definitely quick recipe, but when I come back, I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the string beans and potatoes with ham chunks. You see it's still smoking, and I have a small piece of cornbread in the background. Now you know I'm not really supposed to be eating cornbread, but I'm gonna just eat a little with these string beans. But since I didn't show my face, I would like to say before I taste this, thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to all of my old and die subscribers that are just hanging in here with me. And you guys, I really appreciate the love that you're showing. So please share and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Also, comment below. If you'd like to see me make something, put it in the comments below and I'll try my best to do it. But all right, let me give this a taste right here. You see the potato? Oh, I hope I can pick it up. It's nice and tender. You see that? Ooh, it's smoking. I'm going to take one bite. All right, hang on. Now I hope I don't have to spit this out because it's really smoking, you guys. All right, hold on. Wow. That is perfect, perfect, perfect. Again, thank you guys so much. And I will see you this weekend with a dessert recipe. God bless you.